Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create new content, such as text, images, music, videos, and even code. It uses machine learning models, particularly deep learning techniques like generative adversarial networks, GANs, and transformers, to generate realistic and high-quality outputs. Amazing applications of generative AI. 1. Image generation and editing, AI-generated art, e.g., DALL-E, Midjourney. Photo restoration and enhancement, AI-powered design tools like Canva Magic Design. 2. Text and content generation, writing blogs, articles, and essays, e.g., ChatGPT, Jasper. Automated code generation, e.g., GitHub Copilot. AI-generated poetry, scripts, and novels. 3. Music and audio creation, AI-generated music compositions, e.g., IVA, Amper Music. Voice cloning and synthesis, e.g., 11 Labs, Descript. AI-driven podcast editing. 4. Video generation and deepfakes, AI-generated videos, e.g., Runway ML, Pika Labs. Face swapping and deepfake technology, AI-powered video editing. 5. Fashion and design, AI-powered clothing and fashion design. Virtual try-ons and 3D modeling, AI-assisted product design. 6. E-commerce and marketing, personalized ad copy and product descriptions, AI-generated product images and videos, chatbots for customer support. 7. Gaming and virtual worlds, AI-created game environments and levels, AI-powered NPCs with realistic conversations, procedural content generation in video games. 8. Healthcare and drug discovery, AI-designed drugs and molecules, personalized medical treatments, AI-powered medical image analysis. 9. Science and engineering, AI-driven simulations for research, automatic data analysis and pattern recognition, AI-generated architecture and structural designs. 10. Education and learning, AI tutors for personalized learning, automated test generation, AI-generated explainer videos. Generative AI is revolutionizing industries and unlocking new creative possibilities. Which of these applications excites you the most?